Our Sun is a 4.5 billion-year-old star, a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium at the center of our solar system. The Sun is about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, from Earth, and without its energy, life as we know it could not exist here on our home planet. The Sun's radius is about 695,000 kilometers, 432,000 miles, or 109 times that of Earth. Its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth, comprising about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun's mass consists of hydrogen, around 73%, the rest is mostly helium, around 25%, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements, including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star, spectral type, G2V. As such, it is informally, and not completely accurately, referred to as a yellow dwarf. Its light is actually white. It formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of matter within a region of a large molecular cloud. Most of this matter gathered in the center, whereas the rest flattened into an orbiting disk that became the solar system. The central mass became so hot and dense that it eventually initiated nuclear fusion in its core. It is thought that almost all stars form by this process.